Step 1. Turn left and turn on the electric main switch. Step 2. Turn on the servo voltage stabilizer. Press the green button, Auto. Step 3. On the power knob at the back side of CNC machine. Step 4. Press CNC on button on control panel and rotate emergency stop button when alert message will come up. Step 5. Pick the raw material and place inside CNC and close the door. Step 6. Press reference button, then press X and Z button. Click offset button and click program button. Finally click cycle start button. You are done. Thank you.